It's much better. This is a Twins Tech video. Oh, you're recording already? I didn't know you were recording already. I just started. Oh, okay. Macro keys! I was gonna check my texts first. What the fuck is ultra pooling? Huh? Pooling? Ultra Where do you see that? I don't fucking know. Showing up. Welcome, Internet. Welcome. Specifically YouTube. And your mom. YouTube and your... What? Well, I assume someone's gonna show this to their mom and be like, Mom, this is what I want. Okay. Like, Mom, get me this. Shut up, Gavin. It's Austin. What do you say? He's like, oh, there's a line to get into school. There's always a line to get into school this time of the day. Yeah, he's an idiot. Okay. And the meeting doesn't start until like 12 minutes or whatever. Yeah. Is that gonna keep going off? I'll turn it off. We don't have an intro yet. It's a new channel. Well, is this the first or second video? This is probably gonna be first. This is the first video on the Twins Tech channel. There's a cat on my lap.
Is it another channel?
Yeah. It's new. I didn't tell you about it. There's a cat, and this is what you came to see. Ignore the shipping label on the front of it. It's a keyboard. Can I go up the front? Hey! Here. There's no tags on the back, so look at the back of it. And then look at the side.
Oh my gosh, you're bothering me so much.
Why?
You're like, look at this.
I could do it better if I had a camera that autofocus, but it doesn't. So I can't get all close as it'll be out of focus. I have a cat, but I don't care. There you go. See, it says Chroma on it. Ooh, fancy. That means it lights up. Lexi, you need to go now. So I have my handy dandy Walmart issue box opener. Okay, I work at Walmart. And I'm going to use it to very gently rip it open, cut this box open.
She has a cookie butt.
She still has a cookie butt. Oh, I just had that on me. They taped this thing back up, didn't they? It looks like there's just like scotch tape on it. Maybe they just use white tape for some reason. Sure. This is how you... Dude, come on. You open boxes all day. I don't want to damage the box, though. The boxes I open at work just get, like, chucked in the trash. Okay. Yeah, I guess... This one's gonna get stuck in the closet. Yeah. For display purposes. Okay. Good point. I don't know where we're gonna put it. The closet's I'm dumb. Look at this. There's a peel tab here. Not for the... You can't see because it's not in focus. It's not in focus, but there's a peel tab here to pull the tape off. So stick that there on the. I was gonna ask you about that, but I didn't notice. I was like, did you know there's a pull tab there? I don't know why I bother cutting both ends of the box open either. We have to retape some of those now. No, I think it's fine for aesthetic purposes. I didn't take it apart. We should try to take that off later. Yeah, that's gonna come off for aesthetic purposes, and in case we ever decide. Just in case. That's it. Thanks for. In case we ever decide to just like put like a wall of like boxes back there. I don't think we're gonna put wall of boxes here. I'll be the box guy. But this is what's in the box right when you take it out. It's a keyboard, and then I'm assuming there's cords down there. Nope, it's just emptiness. This is an empty box. So I'm gonna keep it because it's cool. There's nothing in it. You're right. It is empty. I think it's all. I don't know why they had a separate section in there for like an empty box. Well, there's nothing in anything here. That seems kind of silly. Can I take out all the little... No. I'm going to take out the keyboard now. Keyboard out, man. It's actually kind of heavy. Rip it out. That's the keyboard, which I'm working on taking out because there's a cord in it now. Very nice. Here's my little Razer. I think it for says, gamers by gamers. Does it say welcome? There should be a little pamphlet inside that's like welcome to the cult of Razer. They normally ship with a little thing that's like welcome to the cult of Razer or something. And there's like you can like join like at like. I got my sweet stickers. I'm gonna put on my computer probably. Oh man, yours are like metallic-y and rainbow. Mine's not. Congratulations, there's no turning back. It's a war zone out there. Okay, like us on Facebook.
Exclusive rewards for the Razer faithful. As an inductee into the cult of Razer, there you go. We value your feedback greatly.
Okay. We should tell Razer their software is kind of hard to use.
I heard it wasn't that bad.
I always have issues with it. I have Razer Deathstalker Ultimate over there, and it's fucking hard to use. Did you just read the manual now?
No.
Fucking pull out the keyboard.
If you want to see the manual, download it from their website, because I'm sure they have it on there.
I wouldn't be too sure.
But they probably have it.
My Razer Deathstalker Ultimate came with like a really cool like scorpion cardboard like 3D puzzle thing that I never put together.
I thought you did put it together.
I never finished
I
it.
think it's broken now.
I got it like partially. I think I threw it out actually.
Okay.
I think I threw it out when we were going around cleaning up. This is cool looking.
There we go. That's why they had a little plastic piece that comes out. The cord was tucked in there next to it.
Okay. Yeah.
Can I stick it back in there?
Yeah.
It has a beautiful, beautiful.
Braided.
Holy crap!
What?
Does it make sounds? Why is there's like 4 things here?
Yeah.
What are these for? They're audio?
Yeah, I think there's like audio pass-through or something.
What the fuck does that mean?
Does it make? Yeah. So there's like a spot here for you to plug like a headphone and microphone into. So
That's
like
actually really convenient.
So like if you can't reach on your computer or something, you can just plug it into the keyboard. Oh, Jordan, your camera battery's dying.
Do I have an extra one?
Do you?
I don't know.
Are we gonna have to film this later?
I guess we're gonna find out. Give me a sec.
You go film with that. I like the Razer keyboards have like really nice braided cables for them.
That's what I was trying to think of. The braided cable. That's what I was thinking of.
Yeah.
All right. I'm gonna tear this off, and then we're gonna take a break and find a new camera battery.
Not that they would know that because it's gonna be seamless in the editing.
Yeah.
Depending on who edits this. Okay, that's it. It's enough out of you.
No, still there. I just got this little bit left.
I'll just be the trash guy.
A little bit left.
Come on, man.
What's your problem?
It was more for effect than anything.
Let's set that there for now and we'll find a camera battery.
I guess we'll stop recording.
It's a fire in love.
Get the sticky part off pretty well. It smells bad. That'll be the goo gone.
It smells like pine forest.
Yeah.
World's first mechanical switch design for gaming. Might not be true. I think they're allowed to claim that though.
Using Razer's proprietary switch kit.
Way to speak really fucking quiet.
Oh, we're going.
Yeah.
You gotta start. You're just like, oh, hey.
You can't tell that I'm spinning the keyboard around.
Okay. Yeah, let's just read the specs on the back of the box. Should we read it in Portuguese? Do you know Portuguese?
No, I don't know Portuguese.
Mechanical switches with 50 grams of actuation force.
That's the click part.
It says it has a 60 million keystroke lifespan. Pretty good.
We're gonna test that right now.
16.8 million customizable color options.
That's true.
10 key rollover and anti-ghosting. Not bad.
I don't know what that is.
It's like, hey, you can press. I think it's something to do with like pressing a certain number of keys at the same time and like it not like registering duplicates or like if you push like a bunch of keys next to each other or something like it might. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. It's something about it like not registering like extra keys you didn't actually press when like it's like a nearby key or something.
I really want to plug it in and light it up.
Let's see. Yeah. It's got the nice braided cable here, which
Sturdy as fuck.
How does it feel? Pretty sturdy. Yeah, pretty solid build.
Yeah.
Can't bend it at all.
Don't bend my keyboard.
Like my keyboard, it requires. You gotta make sure you have space for this if you plan on getting one of these. Two USB ports here.
Do I have two?
You're going to check, make sure you have enough.
I'm fine. It's all good.
And then, because this has audio pass-through here for headphone and microphone, it also has headphone and microphone inputs. And since it takes up 2 USB ports, it's nice, and it gives you one back.
Colored green, and pink.
I think it's supposed to be like a reddish color. Well, it's pink, so let's see. And pull the key out right there. Doesn't matter.
That's the mechanical inside. Instead of your usual plat like rubber.
The membrane keyboard.
Yeah,
Instead of your standard membrane keyboard, it's just mechanical.
I wish Courtney's laptop was here so we could show it because she's missing like a key or two.
Well, mine's. We're not gonna pull the switches off of mine because they don't go back on that nicely.
Close enough. Twice already.
There's media keys. So we got like mute, volume up, volume down. Not in
yeah.
order.
It's got.
You're not not focused. What are you doing?
Here, I'll focus it then. It's got mute, volume down, volume up, F4 for F4 things.
For Alt F4. For Alt F4 and mute right out of the game.
F10 here is a gaming mode. F9 is used to record macro keys. You have your reverse, pause, play, forward. F8 does nothing. F11 and 12 change the brightness of the LEDs on the keyboard, which I think is pretty hella sweet. So there's that shit.
I think that's pretty much it. Like it's not like a glossy finish on it, so that actually looks very nice. You know, I don't think
I like it. As opposed to my computer desk, which is pretty fucking.
Seems to be pretty
not leaving fingerprints.
Yeah, pretty fingerprint resistant, except for like the little Razer logo on there, which we're gonna dirty up a bit.
Yeah, the Razer logo on the bottom here might get fingerprinted. Other than that, here I'll like fucking look. There's no fucking like fingerprints on this bitch at all.
Well, I mean, look.
Well, you know, whatever.
And don't forget, it's got the little height adjust feet on the bottom too. It's already up at an angle, but just in case you need to be at an even higher angle, it has little feet in the bottom you can flip out to make it even higher.
It's just 30 feet too.
Yeah, that's pretty solid.
Fuck yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna go hook this bitch up to my computer.
back. And okay.
I'm actually gonna stop and bring it over if you want.
I'm recording your butt.
Thank you for recording my butt.
No problem. Well, if you heard that, it unplugged.
Yeah, that was my my old mouse.
This thing's dirty. I need to clean this shit up.
I apologize. You just cleaned it like last week.
Huh? What do you mean?
You just dusted it off last week.
How do you know?
Because I was here when you did it.
Oh, you are?
You said, "Man, this is dirty," and sprayed it.
Oh. I don't remember that.
Ooh. Another good thing.
Mm-hmm.
It fits. It fits in place.
Oh yeah, that's a little bit of an issue we have with my keyboard. Cause ignore my gross gesture. It's like mine's fucking huge. It's got like the trackpad here on the side that I never use, and it doesn't really get it. Like there's like a nice little glass finish under here. You can't even see it because like the keyboard's covering the whole thing.
Got it all entangled. Unwrap the cord.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, cord length.
Okay, cord length. Okay.
I mean,
Well.
you know, it's probably be like 4 feet maybe. So unless your computer's on the other side of the room, which who does that? You're fine.
It's funny you mention like on the other side of the room. That's actually. Never mind. I don't want to spoil
What?
anything.
You're what?
What?
That's what?
Are you gonna make a Linus Tech Tip reference? No.
Oh, okay. Was it? Oh, was it gonna be like a reference to Austin?
No, there's a reference to a video we haven't shot yet.
Oh.
You know, I took your side panel off to go to like
Actually,
clean
don't
out
need this
the
headphone one
inside
because
of
I
it.
already have-
Whoops.
I don't need a headphone because I already have.
I took off your side panel the other day to work on to like clean it out and shit, and I couldn't get this thumb screw all the way back in.
Gotta update Razer Synapses. Give me a second.
You see, I think the software is kind of a pain in the butt. I don't like the
It's
software
updating.
that much. I always have
Did I
issues with
unplug
it.
my Oculus?
Did you? Is your Oculus plugged in?
Hey, lighting up already.
Oh, not bad. Is it gonna? Do you think it's gonna color cycle? Or
I think it's color cycling.
Color cycling.
I
have-
absolutely think it's color cycling.
I have mine just like set to red.
I've noticed. I think I might leave mine on color cycle.
Think.
Yeah, I like the color changing of it. Here, get here. Get like super close in there.
Oh,
Like,
blue, I
super
like
close
blue.
in there.
Yeah. Hold on, let me-
I don't know if
Yeah,
it's
let's
focus
focus
all
like
the way.
this.
Yeah.
Well, if I found a fucking macro lens, it'd be fine.
If we can find the macro lens.
It's in the bag.
Okay.
Oh,
I have some super fucking close lenses.
Like, I took a picture of a shell out front of the house, and you can see all the like inner webbings of it.
Okay. Well, after you got the macro lens for shooting the B-roll.
Or what?
B-roll, man.
Yeah. Here, profile me. Add a profile. I'm sure the people are gonna be using this. I'm gonna put Jordan. Shortcut. Yeah, F2 works.
See, I personally, I think this software is a huge pain in the butt.
Hold on, lighting.
You gonna mess with the colors?
Yeah. Reactive is the one I'll send you at the store,
That's cool.
where it fucking, when you press the button, it lights up and then fades away.
That's pretty fucking sweet.
Yeah. And then change the color, so it'll be red. Or just white, I guess, if you want to be boring as hell. I personally like blues, so I'm gonna go with a nice blue color like this.
That does look nice.
It also does breathing, which, I mean, it's gonna like fade between colors or something. So we do not green,
Green
blue.
and green.
green and blue.
Oh.
And then, so just gonna switch between those two. Or if
Okay.
you check random color, it'll just like alternate between, you know, whatever fucking color you want.
That's pretty cool.
And I can change the brightness from in here.
Mm.
So I'm gonna set it to a ripple. Oh, that is cool as hell.
Do it again.
Holy shit, that's awesome. You get it from like right above.
So you can see it coming all the way out.
Oh my god, that's so cool. I love
The
that.
little logo at the bottom lights up too.
Oh,
It's
really
like,
cool.
hey, I'm here too.
Here. What was I doing?
Or you
Testing the brightness. Anyway, I can change the brightness here. Do I have to put some
You might have to hit function, yeah.
function? Yep. I'm changing it on the screen too.
There we go. It's just not very noticeable on camera.
I bet if it was in a darker room, it'd be cool.
Maybe tonight we'll have to
So I can do some
shots
spectrum
of it.
cycling and be reactive. I think wave was, yeah, wave's another cool one.
Okay.
I can change the direction. I really am surprised by the ripple,
That's pretty cool.
and I think I'm glad I bought this keyboard.
Okay.
Alright, let me check out a custom color.
Ooh.
You can do whatever color you want, so I'm gonna see if I can put in like a turd brown color. See if I'll do
Okay.
turd brown.
How well is
It
it?
looks kind of greenish,
Yeah.
which I guess it is a tree green. I know what's gonna happen when Logan comes over.
It's just gonna be yellow.
It's gonna be yellow.
Which actually also looks kind of greenish on camera. And a little bit of a green tint.
Let's see. I can change the switch off lighting when the thing's off, but the monitor's off, but nah. Ripple is really cool. For right now, I'm gonna put it on wave because I think wave looks nice. And it's a gaming mode, which you can set it to disable certain keys, like Alt F4, so you're not gonna accidentally hit Alt F4 in a specific game. So you can like a link program, and then you just gotta go in here and find the. Okay, we'll just link Minecraft because I think I can find the.
I use the macro keys, and I have like shortcuts typed out for like for things we put into like the descriptions of the YouTube videos a lot.
Do you really?
I do.
Yeah. I might
So
do
instead of like typing out the same thing over and over again, I just like hit a button and it's done. It'll like type it out for
that.
me.
So this is where you record your macro keys. Here's, you know, whatever macro one. I actually don't know how to do this.
Ghetto film in here.
Here.
It's like all sideways. Shoot a bitch.
I don't know what to do. I don't know anything that's gonna like show up.
No, you didn't record yet.
Ass.
Stop.
Oh, actually,
It got buttoned down and up. So
I didn't know that. Oh, I guess that's so you can do like, you can have it set to be like hold these three at the same time.
yeah.
Smart.
I have that for like some of the things I have to have like capitals for.
Oh yeah.
So I have to be like hold shift and then this, then let this go, and then that.
Yeah, I like the background on it.
Okay.
There's stats here. Heat map.
It just shows you like what buttons you push a lot, I think.
I don't really think I need that.
Yeah, it's kind of dumb. The stats thing.
That's really interesting, actually.
What? Stats thing?
Yeah, that it's gonna like track my shit.
Mm-hmm.
Keystroke distance. Why does it need to measure that?
I don't know, man. It's
I
got
don't know
some
why it
weird
measures
shit
that,
in
but
it.
it does. Alright. Well... okay. I don't think I'm probably ever going to use the stats thing. I absolutely love the lighting options in here.
Okay, you can play around with this later.
Well, I guess that's it for now. Here, come back over here. I'll do a plug for another video.
Back door to the couch.
Okay, so that was kind of a review slash unbox. That was me unboxing my Razer Blackwidow Chroma keyboard that I got here. If you liked that video, feel free to subscribe to our channel. We do unboxes occasionally whenever we buy things. You can do tech reviews, like this guy bought a shitty mouse that he wants to complain about.
Spoilers.
He bought a really cool mouse, and it's a laser mouse. So you can wiggle it up in the air and it's gonna move. Does it? I don't think it does that. We should try it. Pretty sure it's supposed to be on something. So yeah, if you want to check out that, you can click on nothing. I'm just gonna. This is the mouse. I don't know why I have this, but there you go. Click on my mouse to check out the review of this mouse. Comes out in a week. Oh, yeah. If there's a box there, that means it's there. If not, then whatever. And click on the Razer Chroma keyboard to get subscribed. And if you click on Michael from Achievement Hunter, you can go to the store page on Amazon and buy the keyboard. Because why wouldn't you want to do that? I went to Best Buy to get mine, but I price matched it from Amazon. I didn't know Best Buy did price matching. They're very specific about it. It says it has to be from, like, directly, like, shipped and fulfilled by Amazon, not a third party.
Duh. Walmart's like that too, especially around or at least around the holiday time they are.
Yeah. So yeah, do
It's
that.
like 3 people came in last year and got PlayStation 4s for like $80 because some dude was selling them for like $80.
And really, really long ending. But if you're excited about this keyboard, come back in 2 weeks and you can see the review of the mouse that I bought to go with it, which is the Razer Mamba Tournament Edition, which also is Chroma, so it's going to change colors. So if you want to see that, subscribe so you can know when that's coming out, and then just check back later. I mean, what's the harm? What's the harm? Hit this fucking subscribe button, or I'm gonna come kill you.
Okay, let's not kill people.
Bye!